Australia won the toss and elected to bat first. On this condition, batting is going to be advantage for Australia. Bumrah is coming as usual. Bumrah is the main bowler of the Indian side. Travis Head and Jay Philip, the opening pair, and all of us know Travis Head. The capability of Travis Head is amazing. He can do the bat everywhere. He can playing the shot everywhere. This is the key player of Australia. First ball, take a single. Account is open with the single of Australia. Travis Head is a great player. The opening partnership is very important for the Australia to win this match, and a shot between the two players. No ball. Amazing. No ball by the Bumrah. Jasprit Bumrah. Number one bowler. How he can give the no ball? It is a free hit. Unexpected ball by the Bumrah because he is a very fantastic bowler. Shot. Oh, only single. It will show the capability of the Bumrah. Jasprit Bumrah. Boom, boom, Bumrah. Only give the single. What a comeback by the Bumrah, because Bumrah can do easily comeback. Single by the Travis Head. Fielding, great fielding. In the 30-yard circles. Attacking field. 0.5 balls. Over. Only 10 runs is given. This is the capability of Bumrah after the no ball and a free hit. Oh, fielding. Great fielding. Great over. Only 10 runs is giving. After a no ball and a boundary, only 10 runs is giving. Mohammad Siraj shot. What a shot. 5 runs is coming on a 5 balls. Very much important for the Australian side to take a boundary or a 6 or dead ball. My God. What is the Australia do to win this match above 200? Because India have a lot of depth. Virat Kohli, Rohit Sharma, Surya Kumar Yadav. Lot of depth. Ravindra Jadeja also take a good batting side. Australia much needed to score at a good run rate. Run rate is flowing, but run rate is declining from the first over. 7.68 run rate at a 4.2. First over 10 run. What Australia do? What a comeback by the Indian bowlers after giving 10 runs to first over. Hardik Pandya is bowling. India have a lot of depth. Oh, what a field. Australia take the 4 runs. Oh, bad. What a running between the wickets. Fast running between the Travis Head and a Jay Philip. Yashasvi Jaiswal, the part-time bowler, is... What is he doing? Oh, wicket. Jay Philip is out. What a master stroke is playing by the Rohit Sharma. Take a part-time bowler, spinner in the power play, and he can give them a wicket. Poor batting by the Jay Philip. 17 balls, 16 runs. Strike rate under 100. Boundary. This partnership is very crucial for the Australia to take a run above 200. Above the 200 is a very good total. Markable total. Boundary with the third man side. Travis Head is doing a Great job. Run is flowing only with the Travis Head. This partnership run rate is declining after the Bumrah no ball boundary. Relief for the Australian side. 8 over 70 runs. Not a good sign for the Australian batting. What is he doing? India has a lot of depth of the batting side. Shot. Shot between the three fielders. Great partnership is going on. For winning, Travis Head had done a long batting. Boundary. Boundaries are flowing. Run rate is above the 9. Come on, Travis Head, you can do it. Because whenever the Travis Head is on the crease, the run is flowing at a high speed. 50 of Travis Head. Remarkable 50. 32 balls. 50 runs. Wow, what an inning he can do. 4-4-0-6, 32 ball, 50 runs. B. McDermott also playing a great inning. 28 runs, 17 balls. Great misfield by the Indian players. Lots of misfield by the Indian players. No balls, misfields. What the Indian side doing? Run is flowing at a high rate. Again part-time bowler Rohit Sharma is himself captain is coming on the bowling to stop the run. To stop the run. What is he doing? Great run. Travis Head is on the crease, which give the headache to the Indian bowlers as well as the Indian captain to stop the run. Take a wicket of Travis Head. Rain is coming. Rain is coming heavily. Oh my God, the match is going to be stopped now because of the rain. Rain interruption. Over. Reduced to 17. Duckworth do its method. Australia have the 3 overs only, and India also have a 3 overs to stop the score. There is a chance of the run. Oh! Run out! Run out! Travis Head is gone. This wicket lead to the 20-30 run shot to the Australian side. Why the Rinku Singh? What the Travis Head is doing? This is the crucial 3 overs. Crucial 3 overs. Australia. The Mitchell Marsh is the new player. He can take the risk and the scores. Oh my God. Run. My God. 20-30 run shot to the Australian side due to the Travis Head wicket. At the last ball of Mohammad Siraj shot. God. Wrong time, wrong wicket. Travis Head. 156 for 2 Australia. 17 overs, 20-30 run shot due to the wicket of Travis Head. Oh, fielding, run out. Yashasvi Jaiswal is gone. What is India doing? Poor fielding. Misfits, no balls. Running between the wicket, poor decision. Run out. Virat Kohli. Last shot. Third man side. 4. If India want to win this match, Australia want to win this match, take the wicket of Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma. And India want to win this match. The partnership between the Virat Kohli and the Rohit Sharma is very crucial. Above these two great players, Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma, one is left at the crease at a high rate. Pull shot by the Virat Kohli. Pull shot by the Virat Kohli. going to be 4 on the leg side. Wow. 2.5 over 26 for 1. Partnership shot. Great shot by the Virat Kohli. It is Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma is able to maintain the run rate if India won this match. These two players is on the field, lead to problem. Shot 6 at the backside by the Rohit Sharma. Great 6. Run is flowing. How Australia want to make the strategy again, that these two players. Out. Rohit Sharma is gone. Come back by the Australian. Rohit Sharma is playing with the 200 strike rate, 34 balls, 17 runs. Mitchell Marsh take a wicket. Great move by the Australian captain. Mitchell Marsh is break this partnership. Surya Kumar Yadav is coming. 14 balls, 13 runs. Slow inning by the Surya Kumar Yadav. 52 balls, 83 runs. How? Boundaries much needed by Australia. Caught over the cover by the Virat Kohli. If Virat Kohli, Australia much needed Virat Kohli wicket. Because Virat Kohli is the key player of the Indian team and each and everybody knows if the Virat Kohli is on the team, there is no chance of the opponent to win this match, because Virat Kohli is the key player of India to clutch the match from the mouth of the opponent. Each and everybody flick. Surya Kumar Yadav, what a shot. What a shot. 10 over 90, same run to the Australian innings. Australia have 90 by 1, India have 90 by 2. Great comeback by the Indian from the after the first wicket of Yashasvi Jaiswal. Poor running between the wickets. 6 is given. Surya Kumar Yadav playing a very slow inning, 23 run, 19 balls. But Virat Kohli take a charge. Again, Mitchell Marsh is given the boundary. Boundaries, 6s are flowing at this pitch, very high rate. 50 partnership. 51 of 35 balls. Great contribution by both. What a partnership. Australia much needed to break this partnership. What can Australia do? Oh, out! Within a 30-yard circle. Great wicket. Key wicket. Mitchell Marsh. Jason Hazelwood. What a catch by the Josh Hazelwood. Key wicket. Rinku Singh and Surya Kumar Yadav is coming. 5 overs is left. 44 runs. 8.8 run per over. Oh. Great shot. Great 4. Much relief for the Indian side. Very much. Oh. What a 6. Towards the third man. No fielder is there. Why Australia is not put a fielder here? Each and everybody knows capability of Surya Kumar Yadav. Playing the shot at the backside mostly. Fielder on the third side is very much important for the Australian to take a wicket. Again for unstoppable Surya Kumar Yadav. He can pick up game. He can take a time a lot. 19 balls, 18 balls, 19 runs, 19 balls, 23 runs. And after that, after the wicket of the Virat Kohli, he can take the charge. 26 balls, 43 runs. What a master stroke by him. He can take the Indian to the winning side after the first over wicket. Run chase is close by balls. 27 balls, 47 runs. Oh my god, what a shot, what a 50. 50 within it. 9 balls, 7 fours and 1 6. 19 ball, 23 runs, 28 balls, 47. Oh my god, what is Australia doing? No ball at that time? No ball at that time? And give the free hit? My god. Surya Kumar Yadav. Oh. Above the third man, above the long on, above the mid wicket, above the everywhere he can playing a shot. Every player is just seen only their shot, but nobody can do anything. 3 over 7 and 3 shots. Again shot, nobody can stop him. Now let's see who will win the man of the match. Travis Head, great inning, or a Surya Kumar Yadav, who can take India to a winning side. Difference of the Surya Kumar Yadav batting, backside shot, again shot. India win this match. What a inning by the Surya Kumar Yadav. India win this match. Great shot. India won by the 7 wicket. Congratulations to the Indians. What a match-winning performance by Surya Kumar Yadav. The man of the match, Surya Kumar Yadav. Wow. Now congratulations India for winning the match. Bye bye, Tata.